I made 30% day trading SPY options today, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was set my pre-market low level and my pre-market high level. My pre-market high level was 412.72 and my pre-market low level was 411.47. So after I establish my strong levels, I then look to see if I can find a wide target. So for the upside, my target was the gap fill here at 413.90. I'll go ahead and make that yellow. All right. So this is my breakout level, this blue line right here, the light blue line. And I'm looking for a breakout above that to enter a trade, and then my target will be right here, the yellow line. All right, so now that I have my level set, the next thing I need to do is look for proper confirmation. And proper confirmation usually for me is an overwhelming majority of a candle closing above my breakout line, or the entire candle closing above my breakout line. So for this example, we see that this candle right here was my confirmation candle since the entire candle closed above my breakout line. Now this candle right here did leave a very long wick here, which usually signifies weakness to the upside, but I've seen it happen on SPY before where it leaves this wick. I'm usually more concerned with how it closes. So you see this one closed right here. This one closed a little bit higher. This one closed higher, and then this one closed higher. So I'm more interested in where it closes. The wicks are a little bit, something to watch out for, but it won't mess with the confirmation. So this was my confirmation candle, but I didn't know, but I figured we would have a bit of a struggle here simply because we're around the 200 EMA, which is the dark blue line here. So I decided to wait, and then this candle right here showed a weakness, and then it was followed by, a bit of a rejection here. So I was close to pretty much not watching this trade anymore. It was about to be invalidated, but I decided to stay in it, and then I waited for the next one, and I seen that this showed strength. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the regular candle so you can see. As you see, it was able to, break back above the breakout line with plenty of strength. So I decided to enter on this one right here. So I took my entry. There was a lot of back and forth. This is a relatively small range from 412.72 to 413.90. That's a little bit over $1 move on SPY. So it's not a huge range. And plus I traded 0 DTE today, so I wanted the move to happen as quick as possible. So there was a lot of, back and forth here, and I sold around, I believe it was this candle that I sold on, which is obviously, as you can see, it's before my target, but it's close enough. I sold into strength, and even though it hit the target, it took about an hour later. You see that from 8:03, and it finally hit the target at 9:03. So I really saved my time. I saved a whole hour of not being in that trade to make the same amount, because the contracts, they're burning through, and they're decreasing in value the more we stay in the trade, and without it making a big move to the upside. So I decided to take it here. Ended up hitting the target at 9:03, and went beyond that. So that was the only setup I seen, was pretty much the break of pre-market high, and my target was the gap fill. So pretty simple trade. I like to trade breakouts of strong levels. Make sure to watch some of the other videos so you can get familiar with how I trade. And hopefully you found this video helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.